In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Figma step by step so you can stay organized and start uploading your design files the right way. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, creating a project in Figma is one of the easiest ways to keep everything in one place and make your workflow much smoother. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the Figma file browser in your web browser or open the Figma desktop app. Once you're in, you'll see your main workspace and all of your recent files and projects. Now look at the left sidebar and click on All Projects. This is where you can manage and organize everything inside your Figma workspace. After that, look for the plus New Project button and click it. This is the option you need to create a brand new project from scratch. As soon as you click it, Figma will ask you to enter a project name. Type in a clear name that matches what you're working on so it's easy to recognize later. Once you've entered the name, click Continue. Next, Figma may give you the option to add people to the project. You can enter email addresses, names, or even user groups if you want to collaborate with others right away. If you don't want to add anyone at the moment, that's completely fine. You can simply continue without inviting anyone. This is useful if you're just setting up the project now and planning to share it later. After that, click Create Project. Figma will process the setup and in just a moment, your new project will be ready. At this point, your project has been created successfully and is ready for use. Now here's the next important step. Click the Create Plus button in the top right corner to start uploading files and begin editing inside your project. This is where you can add design files, organize your work, and start building directly in Figma. And that's it, you've now created a new project in Figma and you're ready to start working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.